Hello dear students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of pre-public examination of coordinate geometry questions. Here these coordinate geometry questions very important questions. This video will useful for TS and AP 10th class math students to get more marks in their board examinations. So please guys make a concentration on this one. So please watch till end the video and it will surely help you in your board examination. So start with the first question here. Please do guys share this video to your friends. Okay, thank you. So start with the first question here. Here first question is find the slope of line joining the points cosecant square theta minus secant square theta, and the next point is cot square theta comma tan square theta. So these 2 points so given here, and he asking us to in the question asking us to find slope of the line joining the points. Slope we have to find slope here. Now solution here. Now solution. So given points are cosecant square theta, comma secant square theta, and cot square theta, comma tan square theta. So these given 2 points are there, 1 point and second point here. Now he asking us to find slope. What is the slope formula here? So slope formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is in your textbook coordinate geometry 191 page. Please go through there and you will get this formula and you can do easily. So practice this formula. So what is slope formula? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here solutions come like this. So m is equal to y2 minus y1. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, what is y2 here? Tan square theta. So tan square theta minus y1 secant square theta divided by x2 minus x1 whole square. Sorry, x2 minus x1. So x2 is cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. So here we have to use identity to get the answer here. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. No, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to also 1 here. These are two identities you will get in a trigonometric chapter. Okay, trigonometry chapter. So here this is coordinate geometry, but question is on the trigonometric basics. So here secant square minus tan square theta is equal to 1. No, so this I will write it as secant square theta minus tan square theta. So why? Because I will multiply with this numerator and I will multiply with the minus with the denominator also, and it will also become cosecant square theta minus cot square theta will come here. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is also 1 here. So m is equal to 1 is the answer. The slope here he asking us to, the question asking us to find slope m is equal to 1 here. This is the answer. It will come for your 2 marks question or 4 marks question. Please concentration on this type of questions and practice. Okay, so go through your textbook and their examples are there, very important. Please practice total examples. So if you practice examples you will get compulsory questions based on the examples also. Okay, 4 marks questions also. So please guys go there and practice more there. Okay, now moving to the next question, that is second one. Okay, now here second question is given that find the perimeter of the triangle formed with the vertices of 0, 0 and 1, 0 and 0, 1 is given here. So I will take this as 0, 0 A, and I will take this one B 0, 1, 0 and C 0, 1 I will take. Okay, so he asking us to find perimeter. Perimeter means AB plus BC plus CA. So distance between this AB and distance between the BC and distance between the C. So we have to find the solution here. Here solution. So already we got this A and B and C. Now so AB, distance between the AB. So what is the AB point? These 2 points. Between distance formula, what is distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay, plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root of. Okay, in this formula we have to submit these values. So x2 minus x1 whole square means, this means we are doing in the AB now, x2 minus x1 whole square, 1 minus 0 whole square plus y2, 0 minus 0 whole square, 0 whole square. It will become 1 only. AB is equal to 1 and BC is equal to, will do, so BC is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So 1 square, it will become under root of plus and 1 minus 0, here 1 minus 0, it will become 1 square, it will become under root of 2 and CA will do here, CA, so these two terms C and A. So x2 minus x1 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square plus y2 1 minus 0 whole square. So under root, it will become also under root 1 is equal to 1. So CA also we got. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 1 plus root 2 plus 1. So it will become 2 plus root 2. So this is answer here. So perimeter of triangle. Now moving to the third question. This will come for your 2 marks question maximum. Okay. Now third question here, find the value of k. He asking us to find the value of k if the slope of the line joining the points 3 comma minus 4 and k comma 2 is equal to minus 3. So k here slope is given as minus 3. Okay. So what is the slope formula? Already we know m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 we know na. So in this m is equal to given already, that is minus 1 minus 3. Here y2 minus so given points are this one and second one. So in this k comma 2, so we have to find the k value. Now so we do solution. Here solution come like this. So given points are 3 comma minus 4 and k comma 2. Okay. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So what is the m is equal to y2 minus y1. So y2 is equal to how much? 2. Y2 means 2 minus y1 is equal to minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1, k minus 3. So m is equal to how much given? So minus 3 is given. So it will become, so this denominator will go to the right side of the equation. Here minus into minus plus, 2 plus 4 is equal to minus 3 into k minus 3 will come here. So here this is 6 and it will become 3 into k minus 3k, minus into minus plus 3 3 ja 9 here. So 3k will come here and 6 will come here. Okay. So 3k is equal to 9 minus 6. So k is equal to here 3 will come na, 3 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 1 ja, k is equal to 1 will come answer here. Okay. So this is answer here. Now moving to the next question. This will come for your 2 marks question maximum. 2 marks question are in some cases it will ask a 4 marks question also. Okay, this type of question. Here the value, this only these values will change, point values. Maximum same question will come in your board exam. Please concentration and practice this question twice. Okay. So here fourth question is, find the value of k if the points A and B and C and D are the vertices of the parallelogram ABCD. So we have to do here solution to find k value. Okay. So start with the solution. Now fourth question is, find the value, already discussed no. So here parallelogram is given, here A and B and C and D, these are points given. A 1 comma minus 2 and B 2 comma k and C minus 3 comma 2 and D minus 4 comma minus 3 is given. So solution here. So one thing, one basic point here. So whenever the diagonals of the parallelogram bisects like this, okay, bisects, so the coordinates of midpoint is equal to AC is equal to the coordinates midpoints of AB is equal to AC is equal to coordinates of midpoints of BD will come. So solution here will come like this. So in the parallelogram these two bisects each other. Solution here. So the coordinates, so you have to write like this. You have coordinates of the midpoint, the midpoint of AC, this AC, so this AC here, and equal to coordinates of midpoint of this BD, so BD. So this is given in your textbooks. Please go through there, 181 page number 181 question in the your textbook example there, example 17th. So go through there, you will find the answer here, same answer. Okay, same question there given. Now here solution we have to like this. So that is here come like this AC, this midpoint of AC. So what where is the points here? A and C here. This is A and this is here C, these midpoints. So x1 plus x2 by 2. So AC, first we will write here AC. So midpoints, what are midpoint? A 1 comma minus 2 and C minus 3 comma 2 here. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So we'll write like this: x2 minus x1, sorry, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 now. So x1 1 plus minus 3 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 minus 2 comma, sorry, minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. So this is equal to midpoint of BD. So here BD how will come? Minus x1 plus x2 by 2 means minus 4 plus 2 divided by 2 and k minus 3 or 3 minus k na, k minus 3, 2 plus same 2 by 2 here. So this will come as minus 2 by 2 and this will come as 0. Okay, 2 minus 0, 0, 0 by 2, 0. Here minus 2 by 2 comma k minus 3 by 2. So these two equal, okay na. So 1 will come minus 1 minus 1 comma 0 equal to minus 1 comma k minus 3 divided by 2. So this equal to this 0. Okay, same in a equal, points are equal. So here k minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So this 2 goes there and it will become 0. K minus 3 is equal to 0 and k is equal to 3 here. So this is the value of k value here. So what we have to find? Value of k. Now moving to the fifth question. Now fifth question is given: find the points of trisection of the line segment joining A 2 comma minus 3 and B 4 comma 5. So he is asking us to find the trisection point. Okay. Now solution here. Here let the P and Q are points of trisection. Points of trisection will take. Okay. So it will become trisection like this one, A and this is the B. So here P and Q. So P and Q. So AP is equal to PB is equal to QB will come here. So this will come and here this is PQ, sorry, this is PQ and QB. Now solution here. So here therefore P divides internally, it is 1:2 ratio, total this is 2 ratio, 1:2 ratio, think that. So after that this is 2:1 ratio. This is the question of your textbook coordinate geometry 176 page number 176. You can go there, example 12, same like this only. So you do practice that question also. So now here P divides AB in internally in the ratio of 1:2. So first 1:2 we take and the already we know that trisection formula. So P of x comma y is equal to, what is the trisection formula? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2 na. So another M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So this is the trisection formula we have to use here. Okay. So if we use, so it will become this is M1, this is M2. So what is the points are like A minus say A 2 comma minus 3 and B 4 comma 5 here. So x1 y1 x2 y2. So here M1 x2, M1 is equal to 1 into x2 is how much here? 4 plus M2 into x1 is equal to 2 here divided by M2 is equal to how much? 2. So we will multiply with the 2 divided by M1 plus M2 is equal to 3 comma here again M1 y2. So M1 is equal to 1 into y2 is equal to how much? 5 plus M2 is equal to how much? 2 into y1 is equal to minus 3 and divided by 2, sorry 3 will come here. Okay, and it will become, answer will come 1 4 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, it will become 8 by 3, 8 by 3 only na. Now this is 5 plus 2 to the 6 minus 1 by 3. So this is one point here, p of x1 trisection formula, and p of x comma y trisection formula again we have to use 2:1 ratio, 2:1 ratio. So here 2 into 4 plus 1 into 2 divided by, so same this one only 3, and it will become here 1 plus we have to write 2 into 5 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by 3. So here it will become 2 4 ja 8 and plus 1 2 1 ja 2, 20 10, 10 divided by 3. Now here 2 5 ja 10 minus 7 minus 3, it will become 7 divided by 3. So these are the two like points of trisection. So p of x comma y. So we'll think that q, no problem, q of x comma, but one is a p of x comma y and another is q of x comma y. So 2 points are like this. Now moving to the next question. This is very important question, compulsory 4 marks, maximum this type of question will ask in your exam. Please practice. Once you have to take 1:2 ratio, and another time you have to take is 2:1 ratio to show this to find the points of trisection. Now moving to the next question. Now here sixth question is find the area of quadrilateral formed by the first 5 comma 3 minus 3 comma 7 and this 4 a b c is given, a b c d 4 points is given. So we have to find the area of quadrilateral. Now solution here. So given quadrilateral, so this is a, this is b, and this is c, and this is d. So if we divide this two, it will form two triangles 1 and 7. So first we will try to find the area of triangle first one, and after that second one we will find, and after to add we will add these two things. So a b d plus b c d. So these two triangles will add, okay. So they will get the answer. Now solution here, area of triangle formula we know already, that is of mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into yy minus y2. So mod will. So this is area of triangle formula. So in this formula we have to find this first triangle area and second triangle area here. Now solution is here a b d. So we have to take a 5 comma 3 and b minus 3 comma 7 and d 1 comma 3. These three points we have to take and find the area of triangle. So here 1 by 2 into this x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 will come here, okay. Now here x1 is how much, 5 into y2 minus y3, so y2 minus y3. So y2 is how much, 7 minus 3 plus x2 is equal to, so here minus 3 into y3 minus y3 is equal to 3 minus y1 is equal to also 3 here, plus another thing x3 is equal to how much, 1 into, so here y1 minus y1 is equal to how much, 3 minus y2 is equal to how much, 7. So it will close here and it will become, so a b d. So 1 by 2 into, it will become 7 minus 3 4 5 ja this 20 here, 20 plus this minus 3 into, it will become 3 minus 3 0 into something 0 plus 0 here, plus and 3 minus 7 4 minus 4 into 1 minus 4, it will become minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 20 minus 4 here. So it will become 20 minus 4 16 here. So 1 by 2 into 16. So it will become 2 1 ja 2 8 ja 16. So 8 is the a b d area of triangle. Now we have to find the b c d. So b c d. So what is the points b? B is equal to minus 3 comma 7 and here c is equal to how much, 5 comma minus 5 comma 7 and d is equal to bcd, no. So d is equal to 1 comma 3 here. So 1 by 2 mod of this is x1 y1, this is x2 and y2, this is x3 and y3. So in this x1 into, so minus 3 into how much, y2 minus y3, no. So y2 minus y3 is minus 7 minus y2 minus y3, so 3 it will come here, and plus x2 is equal to how much here? Minus 5. Minus 5 will come here, and so y here y3 minus y1, so y3 here 3 minus y1, y1 is equal to 7, plus x3, where is x3? 1. So here y1 minus y2, so y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2 is equal to 7 minus 7, so mod. So here 1 by 2 into this will become 4, 4 3 ja 12, minus 12 plus this is also 4, 3 minus 4 minus 4, minus into minus plus this minus 2 minuses, 5 4 ja 20, here this minus is 0, 0 into 1 0, so it will become like this, 1 by 2 into 8, so 4 is the answer here. So A B D plus B C D is equal to 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So area of parallelogram is quadrilateral. Okay, area of quadrilateral is how much we got? 12. So this is 12 here. So this type of question answer very important for your 4 marks. Please practice 1 to number of times, not 1 to 2 3 4 number of times you practice this question. This is take time, but it will very easy to practice. Okay, after practicing you will get 4 marks compulsory if you come to exam. Okay, if it come to exam. Now 7th question is, find the point of intersection of the straight lines of y is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 0, sorry 6. So 2 lines are given, okay, straight lines. So solution here, so y is equal to 0 is given 1 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, 1 is given. So y is equal to 0, I will submit in this equation, it will become 2x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 3 0 ja 0 is equal to 6 only will come, 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, so x is equal to 3. So this x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. So this is the formula. So this is a point where we have to find the intersection 3 comma 0, x comma y is equal to, so 0 comma 0. Now this is answer here. Now moving to the next question. Now 8th question is given, find the area of triangle formed by the 0 comma 0 comma 0, 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 8. So this is very important question, come for your 1 mark or 2 marks question. Okay, now we have to find the area of triangle. Solution here. So what are the given points here? 0 comma 0 and 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 8. So this is single A and this is B and this is C. x1 y1 and x2 y2, x3 y3. So what is the formula? You know already formula. So 1 by 2 mod of x1 into y1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. In this formula we have to submit the values. So here triangle ABC is equal to, so half into mod of how much? x1. So x1 is equal to 0 into y2 minus y3. So y2 minus y3, so 0 minus 8 plus x2 6 into y3 minus y1. So y3 8 minus y1 is equal to 0 plus x3 0 into y1 minus y2. So 0 minus 0. So it will become 1 by 2 into 0 into something 0, it will become 0. So 0 0 will come and will become 6 8 ja 48. So is equal to 1 by 2 into 48. So 2 1 ja 2, 24 ja is equal to 24. So area of triangle is 24. This will come for your 2 marks question, maximum 2 marks question. Okay, 2 marks or 1 mark maximum. So if you write a formula only, you will get 1 mark compulsory question. Okay, so this is formula is important here. So if you write the formula, you will get the 1 mark. If you do the solution, you will get the 1 mark. If any case if your answer will wrong also, you will get the maximum marks here. Okay, now moving to the next question. Now question is, find the area of triangle formed by the points 3 comma 5 and minus 5 comma 2, then 1 and 1 comma k is 5 square units. Find the value of k. He asking us to find the value of k. So this question is number 9th one. Okay, sorry, 9th one question. Here solution is, So you know already area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into half mod of, so x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So how many times you write this formula, you will get that much clarity on the formula, then you can do in your exam easily. Okay, so total area of triangle is given 5 square units is equal to 5 square units. Okay, so this is answer, this is a question. So 1 by 2 into so we'll take first here 3 comma 5 and minus 5 comma 2 and 1 comma k. So x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Here x1 into 3 into y2 minus y3. So what is y2? 2 minus y3 is equal to y3 is equal to k, and plus x2 is equal to how much? Minus 5 into y3 is equal to k minus y3 is equal to y1. So y1 is equal to 5, and plus here x3 is equal to 1 into y1 minus y1 is equal to 5 minus 2, y2 is equal to 2. So this will come is equal to 5. So this 2 will goes to the right side and it will become 10, and mod will remain like that. So it will become 6 minus 3k and plus 5 into k minus 5k, 5 5 are 25 plus 25 minus into minus plus, and it will become 5 minus 2 3 is equal to 10 here. This 2 1 by 2 will come right side now, it will become multiply 2. So here 6 minus 3k mod it will become minus 5k plus 25 plus 3 is equal to 10. So in this 3 plus 6 9 plus 28 plus 6 34 minus 8k is equal to 10. So this goes this and this come here. So it will become 34 minus 10 is equal to 8k. So it is 24 8k. So 8 1 ja 8 3 ja 24, and means k is equal to 3 here. So he asking us to find the value of k, that is k value is 3 here. Now so please guys to do here concentration. This type of questions will compulsory ask you in your mains exam, board exam, that is for 2 marks question. Okay, now moving to the next question. Now 10th question is AD is median of the triangle ABC, and A is equal to given and D is equal to given. D median is given here. So find the centroid of the triangle he asking us to find. Now here I will say something, the triangle like this here. Okay, so here A is given 1 comma 3 and D here somewhere given median of the triangle. So here given 4 comma 6. So this BC and this is D here. Okay, now it will become like this, median to this one. So he is saying that he asking us to find the centroid of the triangle ABC. Now centroid come here like this. This is 2, this is 1 is to like ratio, 2 is to 1 is to ratio. It will come form that centroid. Centroid is G here. Now solution here. So we have the points A 1 comma 3 and D. D how much is here? 4 comma 6 here, and ratio also we got 2 is to 1. So now here we can take like this. We can use section formula. No, section formula will also will benefit here. Yeah, section formula we have to use. What is the section formula? X comma y like m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and next one m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m plus n, m1 plus m2. So here we have to use that same here to get the centroid of a triangle. Here solution is here, so it will become we have to know centroid. No, so centroid is what is centroid here? G x comma y here is equal to so 2 into, so this is m1 and m2. No, so m1 2 into this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So m1 into x2 is equal to 4 plus m2 is equal to 1 into x1 is equal to also 1 here, divided by m plus n is 3 here, and comma. So here m1 y2, so m1 y2 is equal to 6, m is 2 into 6 plus m2 is equal to 1 minus plus y1 is equal to how much, 3 divided by 3. So it will become 2 4 8 plus 1 divided by 3, and here 2 6 12, 12 plus 3 1 3, 15 by 3 will come here. So this is 9 by 3 and this is 15 by 3. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 5 ja 15 is equal to 3 comma 5. So this is the answer here. Now moving to the next question, 11th one. Here 11th one question is, center of the circle is 3 comma 4 and one end of the diameter is minus 1 comma 2. So find the other end. Okay. Now solution here. He's saying that center of circle is here 3 comma 4 and other end is minus 1 comma 2. So this is px comma y, we think that. So this is midpoint of the midpoint formula we have to use here. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, this one. So in this we submit the values, we will get the answer. Now this is the midpoint, center is the midpoint of these two things. So 2 points, this P and this one A, will think that this is B. So here what we have to do, so B is equal to 3 comma 4 is equal to this point. These are the 2 points we have to find the midpoint, P x1 x comma y and A minus 1 comma 2. So in this what we have to do here, so we have to x1, we have to submit value now. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x1 plus x2 means x plus minus 1 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, no, y plus 2 divided by 2. So this is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 and y plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So this is 6 and x is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Here 2 4 8, it will go there, and y is equal to 8 minus 2 will come, y is equal to 6. So these are 2 points. So this P x comma y is 7 comma 6. Now moving to the next question, 12th one. Here 12th question is, find the value of x if the area of triangle is formed by the vertices 1, 2 and 3 vertices A, B and C. So he is 3 square units. Here he is asking us to find the square it, he is asking us to find the x value. Now solution here. So already we know formula is we know already. So we'll directly inside so substitute the values like minus 2 comma minus 2. So this is A and this is B, minus 1 comma minus 3 and C x comma 0, C x comma 0. So total is equal to 3 here, this 3 square units, so that is 1. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So x1 is equal to minus 2 into y2 minus y3. So y2 is equal to minus 3 minus 0 plus x2 into y3 minus y1. So y3 is equal to 0 minus y1 is equal to minus 2. It will become plus 2 plus, and here x3 into means x into y1 minus y2. y1 is equal to how much, minus 2, y2 is equal to plus 3. So this will come is equal to 3 and 1 by 2 into, so this 2 3 ja 6 plus 6 and it will become x2 is equal to minus 1, no, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 and plus x3 is equal also x here, x into this is 3 minus 2 will become 1 plus x will come here is equal to 3. So 2 will goes to the right side and it will become 6 plus this is minus 2 means this is 4 will come here, 4 plus x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. Find the value of, asking us to find the value of x, no. So x is equal to 2, this point will come here, 2 comma 0. Now moving to the 13th question. Now solution here, find the value of slope. Slope formula is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y is equal to m is equal to given points are A 3 comma 5 and B 1 comma 3 it will become. Y2, this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 means 3 minus 5 divided by x2. So 1 minus x1 is equal to 3. So it will become 3 minus 5 minus 2 divided by minus 2. So minus 1 is equal to 1 ja 2 1 ja is equal to 1 is the m slope. So this is answer here. What is that? 3 minus 5 minus 2 only, 1 minus 2 minus 2 only. So here 1 minus 3 x2 minus x1 x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1, right. These are the m is equal to slope. Now moving to the 14th one. Now 14th question also, find the value of p for the which points 1 comma 2 and p comma p and minus 1 comma minus 4 are collinear, asking us to find solution here. So this question will in your textbook in the 186th page number, so you go there and search that one. So I will also tell that where is this 186th page number 21, example 21 here. So example 21 will come like that. Okay, now here if you have to show collinear, we can do with the area of triangle formula we have to use here. So a 1 comma 2 and b p comma p here and c minus 1 comma minus 4 here. So this total is equal to if 0 to area of triangle is 0 to we'll get the p value here. If collinear it will become 0. Okay, so here 1 by 2 into mod of this is x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. So here mod of x1 into, so x1 is equal to 1 into y2, so x1 no y2 minus y3, y2 is equal to how much? P minus y2 minus y3 na, so it will become plus 4 plus x2 is equal to p into this is x2 no, y3 minus 4 here y3 minus y2 no, so y2 is equal to how much will come, sorry y3 minus y1 2 minus 2 will come plus x3 into x3 is equal to how much, minus 1 into x3 means y1 minus y2 p mod is equal to 0. So 2 will go there and it will become 0 and it will become p plus 4 mod of this minus 6p, this will become minus 1 minus 2 minus into minus plus, it will become plus p is equal to 0 here. So p plus 4 minus 2 minus 6 p plus p is equal to 0 here. So p plus p 2p minus 6p minus 4p 4p 2 is equal to 4p will come, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So here our machine will get answer p is equal to 1 by 2 value. So p is equal to 1 by 2 and second one also 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So this is the value we have to get. So this p value, so here p value, the formula p comma p, the point is given, so that's p 1 by 2 here. Now moving to the next question, 15th one. Now 15th question is, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points this in the ratio of 2:7 here. Solution here. So this type of question from your textbook is page number 175. Page number 175 in your textbook, that is coordinate geometry. Example number is 10 here. So that type of question. Okay, please do practice that one also, you will get benefit. Okay, now here I will do it like that only. So we have to like find the coordinate, asking us no ratio, we have to take trisection formula. Trisection is a is equal to minus 6 comma 10 and b is equal to 3 comma minus 8 no. So here ratio is given 2:7. This is m1, this is m2, x1 y1 x2 y2, so m1 m2. Trisection formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. So m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So in this we have to submit these values. Now here that coordinate we have to find, no, that coordinate is px comma y we let here and is equal to, so m1 is equal to how much, 2 into x2 is equal to 3 and plus m2 is 7 into x1 is equal to minus 6 divided by m plus n means 9 here, comma here m1 y2, so m1 is equal to 2 into y2 is equal to minus 8 plus m2 is equal to 7 into y1 10 divided by 9 here. So it will become 2 3 ja 6, 6 plus 7 6 ja 42 divided by 9, and this is 2 8 ja 16 minus 16 plus 7 10 ja 70 by 9 here. So it will if we take this, so it will become 36 minus 36 divided by 9, it will become 16 no 54 will come na, 54 60 70 right, 54 minus 54 divided by 9. So 9 1 ja 9, 4 ja 36 and it will become 9 1 ja 9, 6 ja, okay. It will become minus 4 comma minus 6 will come. So what is that? P x comma y is equal to now he asked us to find na, so coordinate point which divides a line segment. So the coordinates is minus 4 comma 6 here. Now moving to the 16th one. Now 16th one question is the area of triangle whose vertices are first one, second one, third one is given. So A, B and C is given, all equal to 32. He is saying that find the value of k here. Now solution here. So first point is A, k comma minus 1 and B 3 comma k and C minus k comma 2. So area of triangle is given is 32 is given. Okay. Now here 1 by 2, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3 here. So in this x1 into k into y1 k x1 y2. So where is y2? y2 minus y3. So y3 is equal to 2. So here plus x1 x2 no. So x2 is equal to 3 into x2 y3 is equal to y3 minus y1 is equal to plus 1, and here plus x3 is equal to minus k into y1 minus 1 y2 minus k, okay, it's equal to 32. So this 2 will goes right side here and it will become 64. So k into k square minus 2k plus 3 3 are 9 plus k into 1 minus k plus k into k square plus k square is equal to 64 here mod. So this k square 2k square minus 2k plus k minus k plus 9 is equal to 64 here. 64 comes inside, it is 2k square minus k plus minus 9 minus 64 no, 64 will become 55. So here it will become 55 minus 55 and means 2k square minus k minus 55 is equal to 0 here. Now this multiply will multiply, so 55 2 ja 110. So 110 ante, so here factorization will split the term means 10 into 11. 11 10 ja 110 only, right, same. So 2k square, so what we have to write, that's only we have to think here, and it will become 11 5 ja 55 no. So minus 10k plus 11k we can write, minus 10k plus 11k, sorry it will not also come here, what we have to write here, minus 11k plus 10k. So we'll take 11k plus 10k minus 55 here is equal to 0. So here it will k I will common from this, so it will become 2k this is 11 no? 11 plus will common 5 from this, so it will 5k 5 from the, it will become 2k minus 11 is equal to 0. So 1 is here 2k plus 5 into 2k minus 11. So k is equal to 1, 11 by 2 will come, k is equal to 5 by 2 will come 1. So these are the two answers of k value. So what is the k value? So positive will take 11 by 2, okay. Now moving to the 17th one. Now 17th one here, one of the endpoints of the diameter of a circle having center at its origin and is 3 comma minus 2 and find the other end. So here center here, so it will become 0 comma 0, and he's saying the one point is 3 comma minus 2 and another a point x comma y, and b this is okay midpoint is equal to okay this is origin O. So solution here we have to find the this midpoint of AB is equal to O. So midpoint of AB is equal to x1 x plus 3 divided by 2, sorry your, and here comma y1 plus y2 no y minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 0 comma 0. So this one is equal to this one and this one equal to this one. X plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 0, y minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 0. So from this x is equal to 3 will get, and from this y is equal to 2 will get here. This x is equal to minus 3 will get. So these are the two answers. So now moving to the next question, 18th one. Now 18th one, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line joining these 2 points A and B. Here the line joining A and B here. Now P and Q we let here, and we have to prove that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Okay. Now here we have to like use this trisection formula to find this one. So first I will take the 2:1 ratio form. 1:2 or 1:2. So where P divides the AB in the equal 1:2 points. Solution here. So A divides P divides AB in the ratio of 1:2. So we'll find the trisection formula here, that is this one. This trisection formula we'll use. Now here it will become M1, this is M1 M2. So M1 is equal to how much? 1 into, so points, what is the points? minus 5 comma minus 2 and 4 comma 7 no. So x1 y1 x2 y2. So M1 x2 is equal to 4 plus M2 is equal to 2 y1 minus 2 here, divided by M1 plus M2 is equal to 3, and the next one is here M1 into y2. So M1 is equal to 1 into y2 is equal to 7 plus M2 is equal to 2 into y1 minus 2, divided by, this is minus 5 here, okay, not minus 2. So this is 3 here, it will become 1 4, so 2 5 are 10 divided by 3, and this is 7 2 is 4 minus 4 divided by 3. So it will become 4 minus 10 minus 6 by 3, 3 1 is 3 2 is, and this is 7 minus 4 3 by 3, 3 1 is 3 is equal to minus 2 comma 1. So another we have to do is 2:1. So please guys replace this 1 and 2 and do multiplication. So you will get the answer. I will did this type of question before only. So please do guys do yourself. You get the answer easily. Okay. You take the 2:1 ratio. Now take these points and you submit in this formula, trisection formula. Now we'll get the another point, another coordinates. Okay. Now 19th question also. So A, B, C is given. So there are collinear. We have to find the K value. Same question, solution here. Already we done this one. A minus 4 comma minus 1, minus 2 comma B minus 2 comma 1, and C K comma minus 3. Now here area of triangle no. So 1 by 2 into mod of, so mod of x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 here. So x1 is minus 4 into y2 minus y3 is 1 minus y3 is equal to 3 plus x2 is equal to minus 2 into here what will come here x2 no y x2 is the y3 minus y1, y3 is equal to 3 minus y1 is equal to this plus 1, minus 1 will become plus 1. So plus x3 into k into y1 minus y3, y1 is equal to minus 1 and minus 3, mod is equal to 0. So 2 will go right side, it will become 0. Okay. So mod of this minus 2 minus 8 minus this plus 4 to 8 minus 8, and this minus 4 minus 4k is equal to 0. So it will become minus 16 minus 4k is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll do one thing here. Minus 4k is equal to 16 here. 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja. K is equal to minus 4 is the answer here. Now moving to the 20th question. Now 20th question is already we did the diameter of the circle. Circle we have to take diameter and center is given 0 comma 3 and other point is given minus 2 comma 3. So we have to take this one, this is center, this is B, this is A x comma y we have to find. So A x comma y and B minus 2 comma 3 and center C is equal to 0 comma 3. So solution here, midpoint of these two term is equal to this one. So x plus minus 2 divided by 2 and y plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 0 comma 3. So x minus 2 by 2 is equal to 0, y plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Now here this 2 will goes right side and x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 will come here, and here 2 will goes there and it becomes 6, y plus 3 is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to y is equal to 3. So this we got here. Now point is, that is end point is 2 comma 3, this one. Now moving to the 21st question. Now this also same question, find the area of quadrilateral. We have already done this one. So 185 page number question, in this question page number in your textbook it will find textbook question 185 page number is the quadrilateral. So same question there, you go there and find this solution. I already solved this type of question in this video only, so please go through there. This is question number 6, I done already question number 6th, so in this video only. So please go through there 6th question and you will get the answer. You will do right like this, you will get the answer. So nothing but is quadrilateral will take like this. So you have to take this two, A B C D. First you have to find this triangle, area of triangle formula. So this, and after this one BCD, area of triangle. So after this I have to add both one, so we'll get the answer. Now moving to the 22nd. So this is some different, that's why I'm doing. So it is the points A, B and C are the like given points. We have to do AB plus AC. Solution here, this is A, B and C. So AB is equal to, so means it will become distance formula and distance formula. So AB, A is equal to minus 7 comma 0 and B is equal to 5 comma minus 5. This is B. So under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is it will become AB is equal to under root of, this is x1 y1 x2 y2 x2 minus 5 minus plus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 5 minus 0 whole square. It will become under root of 12 square plus 5 square. 12 to is 144 plus 5 5 is 25 under root is equal to under root of 169 is equal to 13 here. Okay. Now AB over, now we have to AC do. We have to do AC under root of what we have to take, A minus 7 comma 0, C is equal to minus 1 comma 8. So x1 y1 x2 y2 x2 minus x1 whole square minus 1 plus 7 whole square plus y2 minus whole square 8 minus 0 whole square is equal to, so it will become 6 square plus this will become 8 square under root 6 6 is 36, okay, and 8 is 64 is equal to under root of 100 is equal to 10 here. So AB plus AC is equal to 13 plus 10 is equal to 23 will the answer. Now 23rd one, this is last question. Solution here, find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are given. Centroid formula. What is centroid formula? Is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is centroid formula we have to use. Is equal to, okay, so given points are minus 2 comma 0, 5 comma minus 4 and minus 3 comma 1 here. So minus 2 plus 5 plus, sorry, minus 3 divided by 3 and y1 y2 and y3 0 0 minus 4 plus 1 divided by 3. So it will become 5 minus 3 2, 2 minus 2 0, 0 by 3, and comma this is minus 3 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 1 ja is equal to 0 comma minus 1 will become. So now this is 23 questions, very important questions, quadrilateral question and parallelogram question and area of triangle question. So these are the important questions. Please practice more your examples, your question textbook questions examples. Please guys do share this video to your friends and who get benefit from this video. So some students will go for tuitions for this type of questions. Please stay at home and practice more this type of questions. Thank you guys, signing off. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.